Hi, I'm Uncle Bumpy, and I'm here to show you how to make a little modification to your KEY Bib Overalls so you can better carry your keys. I don't know about you, but I don't like my keys and everything else in the bottom of my pockets getting this big wad. So I've got this little rig. You can get this stuff at any hardware store. And I put my keys on that. Well, now I got to have something on the overalls to carry for that to clip into. So what I do is I take either the ring from a key ring and I open up the side buttons on my right side. If you're left-handed, you might want to do this on your left side. But you take this key ring and you just spread it apart, and then you put it through the hole and run it around until it's secure on there. Now, you can also use one of these rings. It opens and closes. I'm not real big on this one, but because it's not quite as secure as that key ring is, that'll never come loose. But this one will also work if you want to do that. So you've got this ring on the side of your bibs now. You can close the buttons, because I wear my bib overalls with the buttons closed. And now, when it's time to carry your keys, you just hook them in and put them into your pocket. And there they are. They're in your pocket and they're not bunching up at the bottom. So, if you've got any other ideas on ways to modify your KEY Bib overalls, just make your life a little easier, be sure to send them in to Uncle Bumpy. I want to say hello to Michelle Ward and Chloe out at Clover Stornetta Farms. If you're out in Northern California, you look for the Clover label and you'll get wonderful natural and organic dairy products. So thanks for sending this cap in. Chloe, you're a cutie. You too, Michelle. But you look for Chloe out on your California grocery store shelves. And for other helpful hints, be sure to describe down below. And there's other helpful hints over there. And comment down below. And you can learn more about Clover Farms too. I'm Uncle Bumpy. Wear your work clothes in safety and good health. Thank you.